Well, we are off to a fantastic start. I slept in. My Uber showed up to my house because I had scheduled it. He texted me, you know, are you ready? And I had just rolled out of bed. So, long story short, I had to brush my teeth, put deodorant on, get ready, do everything here at the airport. It's definitely a coffee type of morning. 80s like the 90s and 2000s. All right, y'all finally made it to Tampa. As you can see, the palm trees behind me. Beautiful weather. I think leaving Vegas, it was like 45, 50 degrees, but here it's actually like 75, 76 degrees right now. So it feels really good. So the Invasion is this weekend in Orlando. Today is Thursday. I just flew into Tampa. My dad actually lives here. This is his house, and this is his car. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be taking to the Invasion. Unfortunately, I did not bring my M3, but we have something just as good, if not better. It is stock, you know, it's my dad's daily driver, so at the end of the day, it's still an M8, stock or not. We are going to be switching out these grills for some blacked out ones that he bought. He wants me to switch it out for him, so that's going to be an easy task. But this thing's an absolute beast. It's kind of crazy how he daily drives this thing. He actually has a Corvette in the garage too. That's the plan, just going to stay here for the weekend and then head back to Vegas. But we are going to drive up to Orlando. We haven't decided yet whether or not we want to stay the night. We don't know what we're going to get into afterwards. We might just drive the M8 back to Tampa. Alright y'all, so it is the next morning. We're actually gonna go ahead and do his grills now because Bimmer Invasion is tomorrow morning. And we want to make sure that this thing is 100% ready to go for Bimmer Invasion. And he also got some black badges for the rear, so let's go ahead and get cracking on that. Take a look at that engine bay though. My God. Look at this. This is so much easier than the F30s or the F80s. Literally, as soon as I took off that plastic trim piece, all the clips that I need are all right here. All right, so we got the old grill off. So the camera actually came with it. So from behind, we're probably just gonna have to unscrew this one and then install it on the new set of grills. But out with the old and with the new. And the M8. Well, it's about that time. It is currently 7 a.m. but I was out until 3 a.m. That's all right, because once I drink this coffee, I'm gonna be a new man. Dang, my eyes all red and shit. All right, so we just got the M8 all packed up and ready to go. Got the black grills, and I didn't show you guys on camera yesterday, but we also did put the black badge on the back. So that looks really, really good on the black on black. Pretty much blacked out now. I mean, the only thing that's really chrome still, a little bit of chrome on the wheels, as well as these side trim pieces we did not get to, but they're still chrome. But overall, the blacked out looks a lot better than the chrome did, especially in the grills. So it is an overcast day today. It's supposed to be overcast pretty much all day today. So hopefully it just kind of stays overcast and it doesn't rain too much today. I think it's still gonna be a good day. It's kind of nice to have an overcast day. It's nice for pictures and you're not sitting out in the sun all day, so. All right, Invasion of Orlando 2024. I'll see y'all down there. Yes, sir. They do. Oh, yeah. Right here. Damn, I love the wrap on this. Dang, this Super is insane. Little parachute in the back. I got them sticky ickies on there. Sticky icky Mickeys. Yes, sir. About to head inside now and see VIP. Thank you. They're actually giving away this E92. I think you have to buy some merch or something. I'm driving that back to Las Vegas. This thing is hella clean on the BBS's. Oh, it looks like they're about to pop the hood. Damn. Got that V8 with turbo. Got an M4 GTS right here. That roll cage is beautiful. Dang, this thing is hella clean. With the HREs, oh my goodness. Carbon bucket seats, of course. This man got a carbon hood and carbon wheels. That is insane. I know those cost some money. Bro, this Isle of Man green looks so good in person. And he has the paint matched engine cover. If you're gonna get Isle of Man green, this is the only color interior that makes sense. This is like the perfect combo right here. This F80 is clean. Love the roll cage on the inside with the fire extinguisher. The tires are stretched, man. Look at that fitment. God dang. This thing is insane. Got the bucket seats in here, and he got the sticky ickies as well. And it's all gutted. That nitrous. TE the world. Come on now, you better quit playing with that, boy. I love the paint match engine cover. I need to paint match my engine cover because it seems like a trend around here, but it looks really, really good. God, I can't wait to get my TEs on my car. It looks so good on the Supra. Yeah, this G80 is kind of cool. This hood is dope. I love the carbon weave with the forge right in the middle. Yeah, it's hella clean. Okay. Oh, okay. Didn't see that over there. This is the goal for the F80, honestly. Single turbo it. Same exact turbo I want too. But I don't know, they have the single turbo where it's hidden, but I gotta have it showing, man. I got to. If you're gonna get a big turbo, you gotta have it showing. Now the spark goes in the inside. I don't know if you can see because of the glare. Roll cage, super clean. These wheels look so good on this paint. This was another wheel that I was debating whether or not to get. E92 M3. These wheels complement this paint so well. I always love like the brushed silver. I think it's what, VS5 RSs? Yeah. These wheels look so good on this car. This is different. I don't think I've ever seen these wheels polished. I don't even think they're polished. They're like, what, gray? Kind of hard to tell on camera. But regardless, it looks super good on this paint.
I like those.
M4 with the wide body kit.
You get a car like KB.
Dang. Damn, with the Alcantara seats, this thing is nice. And we got the E46 right next to it. Damn, this E36 is beautiful. I need to get an E36, man. Turbo on there. I love the color. The wide body. Hella tucked. Come on now. Rotiform wheels, you better quit playing with that, boy. I didn't think I'd ever see one of these in person. That's crazy. That's a 6B. That's some BBS's. This color is insane. I love it. And you got the brushed silver BBS's. Come on now. This is a clean ass build. I'm gonna have to follow it in the world. This shit is insane. This is actually covered up last time when we were in here earlier. And then we came back. God dang. So we actually made it back to Tampa. It's a beautiful day out here. I don't know why Bimmer Invasion couldn't have been like this instead of raining, but that's all good. Bimmer Invasion was a great time. There was so many BMWs out there. Honestly, way too many to record. I didn't get a lot of footage on the outside of Bimmer Invasion, unfortunately, just because it was raining. I actually didn't even record too much. It was my family's first time at a Bimmer Invasion, and I kind of just wanted like an authentic experience to be able to meet you guys and just enjoy the cars without having to try to record too much. Which is insane that this is my family's first time being to a Bimmer Invasion since my dad has a whole M8. But I was glad we were all able to go. I did want to give a big thank you to everyone that came up and said what's up to me, supports the channel. I really do appreciate it. You guys have no idea how much it means to me. I get the DMs, I get the comments, but being able to actually see you guys face to face is a whole different feeling, and I really do appreciate all the support and love that all of you guys give me. But just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. It helps me out tremendously. And as always, Matwire fam, remember your goals and don't stop until you reach them.